Welcome back, my little duckies. And here we go. June. In China, there is the boat festival. So, meet Dai Long, a tale, a dragon boat festival tale. Dai Long is a cheerful little dragon who lives by the sparkling river in China. He has shimmering golden scales and the friendliest smile you ever did see. Every year, Dai Long waits excitedly for his favorite day, the Dragon Boat Festival. He counts the days on his tiny claws and can barely contain his joy. When the Dragon Boat Festival finally arrives, Dai Long wakes up before the sun. He stretches his long, shiny body, making his beautiful red and gold scales sparkle in the early morning light. With a happy wiggle, Dai Long flies down from the clouds to the great river below. The dragon boats arrive. First picture. Long red boats with beautiful dragon heads glide across the water. Each boat is painted in bright colors of red, gold, and green. Teams wear matching costumes in bright and bold colors. They paddle together, splash, 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 working as one happy family. The big drums go boom, boom, boom. Everyone cheers and claps as the dragon boats race past. What excitement! What makes Dai Long so happy? 1. The colorful boats splashing through the water. Dai Long loves watching the bright red, yellow, and green dragon boats zoom past, making big splashy waves. 2. The cheering crowds waving flags. Everyone claps and waves colorful flags while drummers go boom, boom, boom to help the rowers paddle faster. 3. Sharing yummy Zongzi rice treats with friends. These sticky rice dumplings wrapped in bamboo leaves are Dai Long's favorite festival snack to share. Festival fun. The whole village celebrates together, basically the whole country. Dragon dancers twirl through the streets, colorful lanterns glow bright, and children laugh and play everywhere. Everyone enjoys a good festival. In the end, Dai Long can't wait for next year's Dragon Boat Festival. As the moon rises over the river, he curls up happily, dreaming of drums and dragons. Sweet dreams, little ones.